Hello everyone, welcome to InSciLabTech community. As a part of our For Researcher by Researcher initiative, I am here to show you how to plot and calculate error bars in OriginPro. In research, error bars are essential. They help communicate how reliable your results are. Usually, error bar represents standard deviation, standard error, or confidence interval depending on what you want to convey. Here I have a dataset from material science experiment. It contains thermal conductivity of SiO2 film as a function of the temperature for 3 repetitions. Today I am going to show you how to plot line and bar graph with error bars. So now let's move to OriginPro and create them step by step. First I want to import the data. So go to File, Import, Single ASCII, import your data. Open. So my data which contains temperature and thermal conductivity which is repeated 3 times R1, R2 and R3. I want to calculate the mean and standard deviation. For that go to Statistics, Descriptive Statistics, Statistics on row, open dialog box. In Recalculate, make it auto. In Data Range, select the column. So I want to add the 3 repetitions of the data. OK. In quantity, make sure that you have selected the mean and standard deviation today which you want to calculate. Say OK. So Origin will automatically calculate mean and standard deviation. Now I want to plot this temperature, mean and standard deviation. So select this column. Select the first column, press Ctrl, select the mean and standard deviation column. Now to plot the line graph, we can select the line plus symbol, plot from at the bottom of the origin or from the plot menu. Select the line plus symbol option. Your line graph is ready. I don't want the figure caption, remove it. Now we can polish the graph. I don't want square, I make it circle. Make the line graph slightly thicker. And I want to reduce the cap size of the error bar. Apply. OK. Now for presentable purpose, we usually have the lines on the top and right side. So double click on the y-axis. Y-axis dialog box will open. Go to the line and text, top, show lines and text. I don't want the major and minor axes on the top and right side. So I'll select the none option. Repeat same for the right side of the line. Apply. OK. Instead of mean, I want it to represent my actual data, that is thermal conductivity or SiO2 film. You to the subscript, so I make it subscript. So my line plot is ready. I minimize and keep it on the Origin project. Now we'll see the how to plot the bar graph. Again the same data, just click on the column bar. Your plot is ready. I don't want the figure caption. Make more presentable, I'll double click on it. Instead of single color, I want all the columns to be of different colors. So select the by points, increment from. If you want slightly more beautiful, then select the gradient. Select the horizontal center out option. Apply. So now you see all the columns are of different color and it looks beautiful. In the error bar, I will increase the thickness of the error bar line and cap and decrease slightly. Apply. OK. Again I have the lines on the top and right side. Double click on the y-axis. Y-axis dialog box will open. Lines and text. Go to the top. Show ticks and lines. Similar to what we have done for the line graph. On right side also, select the none option. Apply. Okay. Your plot is ready. I'll change the y-axis as thermal conductivity. Or SI input. So your plot is ready. You can save the origin project to the location where you want. Now for publication purpose, we want to have this plot to be exported. So go to File, Export Graph. In the image type, select the PNG. Scroll down. Check the DPI is 300 resolution and select the location where you want to save this file. So your plot is ready for publication purpose. You can go and check it. So this plot image can be used in the publication. I hope this tutorial was helpful for your research. To continue the conversation or collaboration with the fellow scientists, join our community hub at InSciLabTech. The link is in the video description. We would love to hear your feedback. Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.